Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to install opencv2 on a Mac for Python 3 and Python 2. So first, let's check if I can import cv2. So I can't, and that's expected. And also for Python 3, import cv2 shouldn't work, so that's fine since we're gonna install it. So this first one is for Python 3. So pip3 install opencvt-contrib-python. Then we run it. And then I'm gonna install for Python 2 as well. Now let's test Python. Import cv2 works great. And Python 3 import cv2, and that also works too. A little lag, but that's fine. Thanks for watching.